Stop scrolling because today, I'm revealing 7 weird but highly profitable remote jobs you can do right from your home. Some of these sound strange at first, but trust me, people are quietly making hundreds, even thousands from them every month. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria, where we teach you how to earn smarter, not harder, using free and practical online methods. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and let's dive right in. 1. Online voice tester. Yes, companies actually pay people to test AI-generated voices and speech software. Your job? Listen to short clips, rate pronunciation, clarity, or tone, and give feedback. Websites like Remote Tasks and User Testing sometimes post these gigs, or you can join AI voice testing platforms directly. Why? It's weird. You're literally getting paid to listen to robots talk. Pay $10 to $30 per hour, depending on the project. 2. Virtual wardrobe organizer. Some influencers, busy professionals, and online creators now hire virtual stylists, but not for photo shoots. For closet organization, you help them categorize clothes, create outfit plans, and build capsule wardrobes, all virtually. Use Zoom or Google Drive to organize photo folders and wardrobe spreadsheets. Why it's weird? You're managing someone's wardrobe you'll never touch. Pay $20 to $50 per hour. 3. Digital Feng Shui consultant. Believe it or not, people pay consultants to arrange their digital workspaces icons, folders, and layouts to promote focus and positive energy. Yes, that's right, digital Feng Shui is trend, especially among creators and remote workers who believe in mental clarity through digital organization. Why it's weird? You're aligning folders for energy flow. Pay $30, $100 per session, depending on your expertise. 4. Subreddit or Discord moderator. Thousands of online communities need moderators to manage posts, remove spam, and enforce rules. If you enjoy spending time online, this is easy, flexible, and surprisingly well paid when done for big brands or large communities. Why? It's weird. You're basically an internet peacekeeper. Pay $15 to $40 per hour for professional moderation gigs. 5. Virtual sleep consultant. Parents, entrepreneurs, and even gamers pay for sleep optimization advice. With some training or certification, you can offer online consultations, track habits via apps, and guide clients to better rest. Many consultants earn passive income by selling digital sleep courses or ebooks. Why? It's weird. You get paid for telling people to sleep better. Pay $50, $150 per session. 6. AI prompt engineer freelance. This one's booming, and you don't need to be a coder. Companies and creators pay freelancers to write perfect prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Leonardo AI to produce the best results. Why? It's weird. You literally get paid to talk to AI. Pay $30 to $200 per project, depending on complexity. 7. Online mystery shopper for websites. Instead of visiting stores, you visit websites pretending to be a customer, testing how easy checkout or navigation is. You report your findings, and brands use your insights to improve. Websites like IntelliShop and Bestmark offer remote mystery shopping for digital services. Why? It's weird. You're pretending to shop without buying. Pay $10, $50 per test. And there you have it. 7 weird but profitable remote jobs that actually pay. You don't need to chase crowded freelancing gigs or traditional online jobs. Just pick one of these. Start small and build your skill and credibility. Because remember, the internet doesn't just reward the ordinary. It rewards creativity, curiosity, and those who dare to try the weird ideas first. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Earn Smart Nigeria, and comment below, which of these weird jobs would you try? Thanks for watching, and as always, the smarter you earn, the freer you live.